Now that we've added Bootstrap, we want to know if it's working. So before you build a website, usually you've sketched out what you want it to look like. For today, I'm just going to take a look at this template. This is a Wix template. I want to see if I can replicate something close to it. Not everything, but see if I can get this in here. So I see that at the top, it has kind of a logo that when you hover over it, it changes color. It has a navigation bar up here with links to different pages. It has a big picture in here with some text, and when I scroll, that picture doesn't move, but the item and the page does move up. Very cool. I also noticed that there's a bit of a border around the sides, and as I scroll down, that border is maintained. So there's got to be something, some sort of container around all of it. So let's just start with the nav bar, and then we'll work on our way down. So back in my CodePen, I'm going to add a comment in here for myself. You can add a comment by doing Control or Command backslash or forward slash, sorry, and then I'm going to make this the nav bar, just so I know to myself that I want a nav bar. And you know, if I take another look again, that nav bar, it also looks like it's in line. So maybe there's some sort of container around everything first. So I want to do some sort of container. And in Bootstrap, container actually has, it's a built-in something. So I'm going to come down here, close that div tag so the container's there. Now we can't see anything there, but let's go get some a nav bar from Bootstrap. So we're going to jump over to Bootstrap, and if you go to the home page, you want to click on Get Started, and then we're going to go down to Components. And these are all the different types of components we can add. Let's go down to nav bar, and then we can go find the one that we want. Now they have a lot of different ones, and I'm just gonna come down and find one that I like. This one looks pretty good. I probably will get rid of the disabled and maybe the pricing, but keep at least two. So we'll copy this, come back up here. In our nav bar, we're gonna paste it. And if everything is working, I have a nav bar. Now, the reason why you don't see this pricing or features are disabled, you don't see the other elements, are because they got hamburgered over here into the side. And if I were to change my view setting so that my elements were on top, you can now see it. It was simply because the screen size was a little smaller. So let me go in here and just get rid of the disabled and the pricing. We need to just start at the bottom where the li, because there's the list, where the closing list tag ends. And I want the disabled and the pricing gone a little too far. Just go up to, so from on mine it's line 7.